Hi, everyone. Welcome back. I'm so happy you're joining us tonight. Go ahead and type in hi in the comments and let me know who's here. And if you're watching on the replay, type replay so I know you stopped by. Well, tonight I have another heart card to share with you, but this one is not for Valentine's Day. We're using the Endless Love bundle in a different way and pairing it with the Brushed with Beauty Designer Series paper. It's kind of a warm, cozy look, and this card works well all year long. So versatile. You can change it up for weddings, anniversaries. So let's get started. So we got the Endless Love stamp set and the dies. And I have a card base of Very Vanilla. It's 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. For the inside, I have two Very Vanilla pieces, 5 1/4 by 4 and 5 by 3 3/4. For the front, I have a piece of the Brushed with Beauty Designer Series paper. That's 5 1/4 by 4. I have a scrap of Calypso Coral. I have a scrap of Very Vanilla. We're also going to need small scraps of the Brushed with Beauty Designer Series paper. I have a little square here to show you, but we're going to end up cutting 3 hearts out. So I saved a piece to cut with you. Then I have 2 little coordinating strips. Those are going to go on the front of the card. So first things first, let's see. I'm going to go ahead and glue this to the front of the card. That's a given. That's not going to change. And then we will do a little bit of die cutting too. Okay, so that's right on the front of the card. Before we go any further, let me show you the pieces of this Designer Series paper that we're using. So we got that piece right there. Gorgeous, gorgeous little stripes. Then we have this piece here. This is the piece that we're going to be cutting the hearts out of. And then we're using this piece as our little accent piece. Okay, so I told you I have 2 hearts already cut out. And I cut those out with this die right here. It's got the little tag. It's kind of like a tag heart. So I'm going to cut another heart out for the front of our card. Then I have this Calypso Coral piece. And I'm going to take the swirly heart and I am going to cut out 3 more swirly hearts. So let me cut that out. I will fast forward. So I will be right back. Okay, so there's our 3rd heart cut out with that pretty Designer Series paper. And then I only cut out 2 swirly hearts because I'm going to do something else on the other heart. So do a little bit more gluing. So I'm going to take these 2 accent pieces and I'm going to glue one up at the top and one at the bottom of our Designer Series paper. Okay, so just like that. Then I'm going to take 2 hearts and our 2 swirlies, and I'm going to go ahead and glue the swirly detailed heart to the front of the Designer Series paper heart. And I'm going to bring in my silicone mat and I'm going to blot off any extra glue because this is a really hard thing to glue because it's so fine and little. But I'm just going to put little dabs of glue here and there, blot it off on my silicone mat, and then I'll attach it to the other heart. Now this heart here, we're going to do something a little different. So I'm going to bring in this scrap and I'm going to bring in a little tag die that comes in this bundle. And I'm going to go ahead and cut 1 tag out and then I'll be right back. Okay, so there's our little tag piece. It's got the little hole right there. Now I'm going to bring in this little die that comes with the set. And I'm going to line it up and I'm going to put it closer to the hole. And we're going to end up shortening this banner, and I'm going to show you a little trick when I do that. But first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and cut those little hearts right out of that banner. Okay, so you have these little hearts cut out of there. They have these little hearts that are left over, and I'm not sure I'm going to do anything with them, but those would be really cute glued somewhere on your card or on your envelope. They're teeny tiny, so just put a little dab of glue down and then attach that. So I'm not sure I'm going to do that yet, but I just wanted to point that out because they are really, really cute little hearts. So I'm clearing a space here because I'm going to bring in my cutting machine and I'm going to show you how I'm going to shorten this heart because I'm going to end up putting it right on the front of our card, but it's a little bit too long. So I'm going to shorten it. Okay, so I have my cutting machine. I'm going to take our banner and I'm going to move the little banner edge closer to the hearts, which is going to cut off, which is going to cut off that end right there and make it shorter. So when you do this, this has like a little groove in the paper that you're cutting from the previous cut. So it's kind of easy to line it up. You just lay it down there, kind of really simple. And again, you can see it's going to cut right at the end. So I'm just going to run this through the machine. You don't even have to run it all the way through, just all the way through that to that banner, but you can run it all the way through. It's not going to matter. Let me show you. Staticky. Okay, so it cut off. Whoops. Let me show you what it cut off. It just cut off that much, so it shortened it. So really simple to do. It's nice if you want to make a different size banner. Okay, let's bring our card back in. So I'm just going to kind of dry fit these where I want them to be. And I'm going to pop them up. So that's kind of what it looks like. I have bows made ahead of time. I'll show you those in a second. But first thing I'm going to do is I'm just deciding if I want to pop all of them up or just the middle one up. I'm going to pop them all up. I think it's going to look really pretty. Okay, so that's how I positioned them. And then this piece right here, it's going to go just like that, just because it looks kind of fun and quirky and cute. And I think I'm just going to glue that down, and then we're going to put our bows on. Okay, so ahead of time, I took this pretty gold and white twine, and I made 3 little teeny tiny bows, and they're double bows. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach each bow right there to the top of my hearts with a glue dot. Okay, I'm going to trim the tails on those bows. Okay, remember those little hearts that I cut out of that little banner? I'm going to go ahead and lay a couple right in that little spot right there, just because I think it'll look really, really pretty. This would be a good spot for sequins, but I'm going to use those little hearts. Oh, I like that. Really cool. Okay, so this is the part where you will decide what do you want this card to be for, right? So we're going to finish the inside with some more stamps that are included in the Endless Love stamp. So like I said, I have 2 pieces for the inside, 5 1/4 by 4 and 5 by 3 3/4. I'm going to go ahead and glue the larger one in. Then we're going to stamp on this one. Okay, so there's our very vanilla piece, and we're going to bring in some of the stamps. So the stamp set has a swirly heart. It's got a little collection of hearts, and it's like that one right there and that one right there. And then it has the sentiment today and always. So that's what I'm going to use for this card. So I'm figuring this could be used for an anniversary card, for a wedding card. So let's go ahead and stamp this. So I'm going to bring in Calypso Coral. I'm going to bring in a scrap because I'm going to stamp off. So the first thing I'm going to do is ink up the swirly heart. And I'm going to stamp that off 2 times, and I'm going to stamp it right in the middle here. Then I'm going to bring in the sentiment today and always and stamp that in the middle. And that's full strength ink. Just like that. Then I'm going to bring in the collection of hearts. And I'm going to stamp off. And I'll stamp off twice. Now these are faint hearts, so you still could write your little note inside here, sign your name. You could just write right over the hearts. It'd really look pretty. So that is one way to finish off this card, but I'm going to do it another way. I am actually going to send this to a girlfriend of mine. So I'm going to leave the inside blank for now, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to do on the front. So I'm going to use this very vanilla scrap, and I am going to use a sentiment from the stamp set called Banner Sayings. So this has tons of little sentiments, and it also comes with a punch. So you can punch out the banner type sentiment. And they're so pretty. The sentiment is so pretty. I'm going to put Sending My Love. I'm going to stamp that in Mossy Meadow. Let me see if you can see that. Ooh, let me get right in the middle here. It's really tiny. It's a really pretty font, and it says Sending My Love. Okay, so I'm going to bring back in that little banner die, and I'm going to cut that out. I'm putting the whole of the die on the left side because I might shorten this. Okay, so I'm actually going to put this banner right there with the other banner, but I do want to shorten it. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this die back in, and I'm going to lay it down wherever I want the end to be, and I'm going to run it through, and it's going to cut off that edge, so it's going to shorten up my little tag. Okay, so there it is. I actually bannered both ends, and I'm going to put it right there. Let me show you a different idea. Okay, so this one, I didn't banner both ends, so I could kind of just overlap it right there. I have two tags on here, or I could put this one down here. And I think I'm going to go ahead and use this one, and I'm going to put two tags up here. So I'm just going to take my bow off, and I'm going to glue that down right there, and I'll show you what it looks like when I get it glued. And then I'm going to put my bow back down. Okay, so there's my card. I'm going to call this Hearts Beyond Valentine's card. Isn't it pretty? I just love it. It's got a lot of texture to it. I love the bows. So you have to see it in person. Go ahead and make one for yourself. See what you think. And of course, you could use the same design with any designer series paper. Go ahead and make a Valentine's card using this design. But anyway, I think that's really pretty. And then inside, I'm going to use it for a note. I will stamp a couple hearts in there, I'm sure. But again, this is another way to do it. Stamp off the swirly heart and stamp your sentiment inside. So I think that'd make a very pretty anniversary card or wedding card, whatever you think. Again, it's Hearts Beyond Valentine's Day. So I know I ended this video, but I decided what I was going to do on the inside of this card. So I thought I'd pop back on. So, you know, the Fabulous Sayings set. This is a promotional item that when you spend, I believe it's $75, you can buy this for $5 with your order. So I decided to use the sentiment to a fabulous friend. So I'm going to stamp that in Mossy Meadow. So the front has Sending My Love to a Fabulous Friend. That's going to go on the inside. And I'm going to do the envelope really quick too. So I cut a little piece of designer series paper, and this is about 6 by 2 1/4. And I'm going to put it on the flap of the envelope. So I'm just going to glue the flap of the envelope. And then I'm just going to put this right up to the fold, just like that. And then I'm going to trim it. Okay, so now I have a great combo here to send to her. The pretty little envelope with the designer series paper, the beautiful card, and then inside to a fabulous friend. So I hope this card gives you a fresh way to look at your heart stamps and reminds you that they're not just for Valentine's Day. You can switch out the sentiment and make the card work for anniversaries, love notes, or just because. If you enjoyed this project, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share it with a friend who likes to stamp. Thank you so much for spending part of your evening with me. And remember, don't be shy. Stamp and shout.